Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can withdraw Solana from Phantom Wallet to Binance. So the first step that you have to do is open your Binance. From here you click on the wallet at the bottom right. So once you click on that one, you will see here the deposit option. So click on that one. And from here you're just gonna search for the coin that you're going to be sending. So in this one we're going to be searching for Solana, and then you click on Solana from here. And then from here, you just have to choose the network. So we're going to choose Solana. So you will have this deposit address. So what you're going to do is tap on this copy icon. And once you have copied that one, you go back to Phantom. And from here, you just go ahead and tap on send and search for the token, or you could also just click the Solana right here. So you will see here this. So what you're going to do is paste here the wallet address that we have copied from Binance earlier. So once you have pasted it, you just have to tap on next. And from here, just go ahead and put here the amount of Solana that you're going to be withdrawing to Binance. So you can also click on this one, and once you're done, just go ahead and tap on enter and then just confirm the transaction. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!